Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Armor 21, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. Then let's scroll down and go to Reset Options. And here at the top, we've got the option Mobile Network Settings and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. So all you have to do is to tap on the option which you're interested in, tap on it and tap on Reset Settings. You have to confirm everything with your screen lock. And here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action, so do it only if you're ready and if you're sure you want to do it. So just tap on Reset Settings, and here we've got the information. And the same situation with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Just tap on it, tap on Reset to confirm, and again we just successfully reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.